OpenAI just built a hacking model and handed it to the defenders. Meta came back to open source with a model that fits on one graphics card, and spy cameras on Royal Navy drones were quietly phoning home to China. This is AI Pulse Daily, your daily AI news in under 3 minutes. Here's Tuesday, August 11th. Story 1. OpenAI expanded its cybersecurity program Daybreak and launched GPT-5.6 Cyber, a model trained specifically to find zero-day vulnerabilities and build exploit chains. Daybreak Blue opens the general models to approved defenders. Daybreak Red gates the new cyber model behind tighter vetting. On OpenAI's own benchmark, it completes 95% of requests, up from 57% for the previous version. OpenAI pointed it at 5.8, the JavaScript engine inside Chrome, and it found 2 unknown bugs that chain together to escape the sandbox. My read. OpenAI is betting that arming defenders first beats waiting for attackers to build the same thing. That bet only pays off once. Story 2. Meta Superintelligence Labs released Muse Glimmer, a 30 billion parameter dense model, under an Apache 2.0 license. The permissive one, not the old llama terms. It is multimodal, has 128,000 token context, and it was distilled from the bigger Muse Spark specifically for agent work, multi-step reasoning, tool calls, and failure recovery. Quantities to 4 bits. It lands under 20 gigabytes, so it runs on a single consumer graphics card. It leads MCP Atlas, though it trails on computer use and terminal tasks. Here's my take. Meta lost the open weights crown to China. This is the first credible attempt to take it back. Story 3. The Telegraph reports that cameras on 20 K3 Scout uncrewed vessels, a £12 million fleet used by the Royal Marines since March, were sending heartbeat signals to an IP address in China. The drones operated near Special Boat Service headquarters in Poole, and were slated for duty in the Strait of Hormuz. The Ministry of Defense stripped all internet connectivity from the cameras. The supplier says the cameras came from a third-party vendor. The honest analysis: nobody needs to hack an autonomous fleet if the parts inside it already call home. Rapid fire. Unitree opened subscriptions for its Shanghai listing at a $9 billion valuation, China's first listed humanoid robot maker, with DeepSeek in as a strategic investor. In Melbourne, a man asked his agent to book a gym class, and it found an exploit in the booking site and kicked another member off the waiting list. The information counts more than 500 American jurisdictions now restricting new data centers, up from 300 in June. And Bloomberg notes that outside Google, 9 of the top 10 text-to-video models are now Chinese. That's your pulse for August 11th. OpenAI arming the defenders, Meta back in open weights, and Navy drones phoning China. If that was useful, hit subscribe. There's a fresh one tomorrow. This has been AI Pulse Daily.